from the vehicle, and Phil has managed to make his escape. He's spoken about the terrifying ordeal to us exclusively earlier today. Let's take a listen.
Then I saw him jump in the car, and then he just said, "Drive," and that's what happened. And now I feared for my life.
Now, Davina, Phil has spoken out in the hope that they can catch this man and it doesn't happen to anyone else. He's just absolutely beside himself, so shaken and distressed. He's urging anyone else to lock their doors and remain locked while they are driving in and around that area. His fearful it could happen to somebody else.
And you will have that exclusive interview for Sydney viewers tonight at 6 o'clock. Gabby, thank you. Well, Australian investigators have aborted their mission to access the MH17 crash site in Ukraine for a third day as fighting intensifies between pro-Russian rebels and government forces. Nine's Damien Ryan is in Donetsk. He joins us on the phone. And Damo, this is a big blow to the investigation.
Yeah, well, the plan was to